see, I already have one side of my makeup finished. This is for Valentine's Day, so let's go and do this side. So let me show you all what I did. Right, what I did. So the first color that I went into is a type of burgundy. Let's see if it's a color right here. That's the first color that I went into. So using this side as reference. So we don't have anything on the lids. It's only this slight out from underneath the eyebrows. We are patting to build pigment, right, and into the crease. Right, so you're going for the shape of the eye that you would like to have. Here, right? So you'll see kind of messy, but that's okay. Right, let me just zoom you all in a little bit. Yeah, that's better, hopefully. Right, I hope I'm clear. Right, so that's blending. Now I'm going in with like a blending brush here, and I'm using this kind of coppery brown. Now it's much darker than what you're seeing on camera, because you see this one looking more orange, but we're using this one here, and we're going above to blend. Okay, and we're blending that color. As you can see, as you can see here, we barely see that color. If you look here, you will see it, but it will blend into the burgundy a lot. Then we're going back into the burgundy, and let's go on top. That's a loss, the burgundy in there. Next, I'm taking a concealer brush. Right, this is what it looks like. Right, so kind of rounded. Right, and I have some concealer here on my hand. I'm dabbing that in, and I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to cut my crease, and I'll be back. But my crease, everybody's crease will be different, because everybody's eye shape will be different. So this is what my crease looks like. And what I'm doing, I'm going to fade this out into that purple. Okay, so that's tapping, simply tapping. Right, so it's going to spread the color out. Next, I'm going to take a brush and blend this color, my bad. So blending that concealer, trying to press it into the creases that I have on my eyes, so fill up all the creases that may be there, right? And also help tap it out on the corner, right? Be very gentle, you don't have to be going crazy. It's like a setting powder, although it is in my contour palette, but I'm taking this color here, right, that yellow color. Right, it's not really going to add any pigment, but it's going to set this cream color down. Okay, it's going to set that concealer down, because we don't want that cream to be moving all over. Right, try to keep your eyes still, because we don't want to set lines. Now we're going back into the purple, that mahogany kind of purple color, and we fading that back into this color there, like that. Also going over the crease, not the crease itself, but want to be sure that these colors don't transfer onto each other. Just be careful. Now, get raise up and blend. Blend. Right, good. You see that? Take it and fade it back in to there. Right. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foil color. So you have different color foils. I'm taking this gold color here, right? And that's what you see is on the eyes, right? And I'm just placing that where I want it. Right, and you fade that into the purple. So take your time and let's get it in. Right, you see that? Right, and let's go back into your cutting of your crease. You can raise up a little bit to make sure you get inside. It could be challenging sometimes. And you fade that into your... Next, I'm going into my dark purple and just gonna like fade it back. And because I want a little dimension, because this looks quite flat, right? It looks quite flat, in my opinion. Some people might find it's okay, but and if you want, you can stop here in terms of adding stuff to your eyeshadow, but I wanted to give a little dimension like on this side. So if you look at it, you see in a kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but you see the contraption that went on there. So I'm going in with, hold on guys, hold on. Let me just close this side. Okay. So I'm going in with this color here. On camera is definitely not coming up the color that it is, but it's a kind of pink color that I'm going in with. It gives off this kind of pinky look, and I'm just like, it's like a peekaboo in the eye. So as you can see, it's not really much, it's just very minimal, right? And you blend it in to the purple. So this is being blended between the purple and the gold. Well, yeah, and you simply just go back with your other colors and just like perfect that the blend. So there you go back in and just you're not carrying it too far, right? You just, you know, weave it so, you know, like that. And then you can take your purple, your dark purple, and like go back into your crease on the outer end there. And like that, like so, like that. Right? And then I'm taking some black eyeshadow with an angle brush, yeah, and I'm making a small wing. So this. Lately I've been liking shadow wings because it's so much more subtle on the eyes, and this don't tug at the eye, the corner of the eyes, compared to using liner. right? And if it is you need to like blend it out or anything like that, it will be very much easy to do so. Okay, like so, like that. Right, and lastly, for this look right here, lastly, I'm just taking this shimmery color. Is actually, these is a pack of shimmers. These are metallics, right? And I'm just popping that in the corner there, right? Those pop of color in the corner there will be perfected after I come. One thing that I want to do, I'm going to actually take my setting powder, my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, right? And I'm getting a tapered blending brush. Take a little bit of my brush, pat off the excess and go over the eye. But you want to have that liquid concealer that you cut your eyebrows with, to clean up your eyebrows with. You go in there and you are blending and also setting that cream concealer that is underneath there, and it also is going to soften the edges of this shadow. So I don't know if you're seeing the difference between this shadow up here and this one. I don't know if you're seeing the difference, but it's going to see, it's softened up that, and it don't look as harsh in So now that we have done that, let's get into this face and beat it. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on channel Aesthetic on both Instagram and on TikTok. If it is you want to continue seeing much more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know what y'all think about this look down in the comments. And I'll see you guys at another one. Bye.